Dear children, in this video we shall discuss about the second main of exercise 1.2 from the 10th standard maths chapter 1 arithmetic progressions. Let us see the question. Choose the correct choice in the following and justify. They have given two questions. And for each questions they have given 4 answers. We have to choose the correct answer and also justify the answer. Let us see what will be the answer for the first question. This type of question will be asked for objective type questions in the exams. They will give 4 objectives, 4 answers. You have to choose the correct answer. Now let us see. Here 30th term of AP 10, 7, 4 is. We have to choose the 30th term of the given AP in the following 4 answers. For that here, since they have asked the 30th term, here we have to use the term formula. In this lesson there are 2 important formula. One is term formula, another one is sum formula. The term formula is an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, and the sum formula is Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now since here they have asked the 30th term, we have to use the an formula. Now let us see the answer. An equal to answer or solution, an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Here we have to find the 30th term. So instead of an we have to write a30. a30 will be equal to, here a is the first term of AP. The first term of AP is 10. So 10 plus n value, since the n value is 30 because 30th term, so the n value will be equal to 30. Here n value is equal to 30, a value is 10, and also d value is, here the value of the terms is decreasing, then the common difference value will be negative term, or else let us find it a2 minus a1. Here a2 second term is 7 minus first term is 10. So the value of d will be minus 3. Here clearly you can see that if the common difference is a negative number, then the value of the terms decreases. Here if the value of the terms decreases, then the common difference will be a negative term. You have to remember this. Then common difference here is minus 3. Let us substitute the values. N value is 30 minus 1 into common difference value is minus 3. Now equal to, this is 10 plus 30 minus 1 is 29 into minus 3. Now let us multiply 29 into 30. 29 into 3, 29 into 3 will be 3 9s are 27, 3 2s are 6, plus 2 is 8, and here equal to 10 plus into minus, minus 87. Since they are having opposite sign, we need to subtract. After subtracting we get minus 77. So the 30th term of the given AP is minus 77, and the answer will be C option. Therefore the answer is C option, minus 77. Like this, using the term formula you can identify the, or you can find the 30th term of the given AP. Now let us find the answer for second question. The second question is, here 11th term of the given AP minus 3 minus 1 by 2 2 etc. is. They have given 4 answers. We have to choose the 11th term of given AP. In the previous question, as we have solved in the previous question, in a similar way let us find the 11th term of the given AP. First let us write the given values. Here a is equal to, first term of AP is minus 3, common difference is equal to, since common difference is found as a2 minus a1, here second term is minus half minus first term is minus 3, we have to put the bracket, here minus half minus into minus plus 3. Since they are fractions, we have to take the LCM. The LCM here is 2, so 2 will be the LCM. Here the denominator is 1, and here we have to multiply by 2. So minus 1 plus 3 2s are 6 we get. So the common difference D will be 5 by 2. And also since they have asked the 11th term, that is we have to find the A11, sorry. We have to find A11 and the n value will be equal to 11. All these values we have to substitute in the formula. A value is minus 3, D value is 5 by 2 and n value is 11. Now here also we are using the term formula, that is An equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, and since we have to find out the 11th formula, instead of An let us write A11. 11th term is written as A11 equal to A is the first term of the given AP is minus 3 plus n value, since it is the 11th term, the value of n will be equal to 11. 11 minus 1 into common difference is 5 by 2. 5 by 2. Now let us calculate. 11th term will be equal to, this is minus 3 plus 10 minus 1, 11 minus 1 is 10 into 5 by 2. Here you can subtract, here you can divide. 2 ones are 2 5s are 5 5s are 25. A11 will be equal to minus 3 plus 5 5s are 25. After subtracting these two, you get 11th term will be equal to 22. So the 11th term of the given AP is 22. So the answer is B option 22. Like this, using the term formula, you can find out the 11th term of the given AP. Now let us see the third main questions. How to solve the third main questions. In the third main, in the following AP's arithmetic progressions, find the missing term in the boxes. They have given 5 questions. In each question there are some boxes. We have to fill the boxes with the correct answer. First, let us take the first question. In the first question, they have given 2, dash and 26. First, let us find the second term of the given AP. Here you can find the answer to this question in 2 ways. First, let us use the first type. Here first term is given and the third term is given. Using first term and third term, we can find out the second term. This is third term, this is first term, this is second term and this is third term. Let us use the third term. An is written as A plus n minus 1 into D. Now since A3 is given, instead of An let us write A3 equal to A plus n value is 3 minus 1 into D. Here A3 equal to A plus 2D. You can write third term as A plus 2D. Now let us substitute the values. Third term is 26 equal to, first term is given, third term is 26 and first term is 2. So 2 plus 2D. Now take 2 to the LHS. It becomes minus because there are 2 terms, binomial. So the sign will change. Plus 2 will be changed to minus 2. It will become minus 2. 26 minus 2 will be equal to 2D. Now 26 minus 2 we get 24 equal to 2D. Now take 2 to the LHS. If you take 2 to the LHS, it comes to the denominator because it is monomial, single term. Whenever there is a monomial, numerator and denominators will change. So it is in the numerator, it comes to the denominator. 24 by 2 will be equal to 2. Now divide. 2 ones are 2 12s are 24. So the value of D is 12. Now we have to find the value of, so second term, if we add common difference to the first term, you will get the second term. Since the first term is 2, the second term will be after adding plus 2 to the first term, we get the second term, that is 14. So the second term A2 will be equal to A plus 12, which is equal to A is 2 plus 12 and it is equal to 14. So the second term of the given AP is 14. So the answer in the box is 14. In this way, using the AN formula, you can find the value of the second term. As I said, you can find the answer for this question in the second way also, using the arithmetic mean formula. Arithmetic mean formula. This is very important. In the previous question paper, in the previous public exam, they have asked the question using this arithmetic mean formula. What is this arithmetic mean? Let us take an example. 2, 5. After adding 2 to 5, 3 we get 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. If after 8 we get 11. Let us take these three terms. Here you can find that if 2, 5, 8 are in arithmetic progression, then 5 will be equal to, add 2 plus 8, 2 plus 8, and by 2 we get 10 by 2, which is equal to 5. This 5 is called as arithmetic mean of 2 and 8. 5 is arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean of 2 and 8. In the similar way, if you take these three terms, if you add 5 plus 11 by 2, that is 5 plus 11 by 2, you get, this is 16 by 2, which is equal to 8. So 8 will be the arithmetic mean of 5 and 11. So 8 is arithmetic mean of 5 and 11. In general, if A, B, C are in AP, arithmetic progression, then if you want B, you have to add A plus C by 2, we get the mean, arithmetic mean formula. So we can find B equal to A plus C by 2. Using this arithmetic mean formula, you can find the answer for this question, since the question is given as 2, there is a box, and 16. Here the box value, let us take it as x. The x is the arithmetic mean of 2 and 26. So x will be equal to 2 plus 26 by 2, which is equal to 28 by 2. After dividing, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. We get the value of x is 14. In this way, using the arithmetic mean formula, you can find the value of the given box, the unknown value. You have to remember this arithmetic mean formula. So the one more important formula is arithmetic mean equal to A plus C by 2. This is the arithmetic mean formula, where if A, B, C are in AP. If A, B, C are in AP, B will be the arithmetic mean of A and C. In this way, we can find the answer for this question. Now let us show the answer in the first question will be 14. Now let us take the second one. The second question is given as second one. There is a box, and then 13, and another box, and then 3. Here they have given the second term and also fourth term. This is first term, second term, third term, fourth term. Here they have given second term and fourth term. You have to find the first term and third term. Let us use the arithmetic mean formula here. Since these three are in AP, these three terms are in AP, the third term will be the arithmetic mean of 13 and 3. So A3 will be equal to 13 plus 3 by 2, which is equal to 16 by 2, which is equal to 2 ones are 2 eights are. So the third term is 8. Since the third term is 8, here we can find that the D value is minus 5. Since the value of the terms is decreasing, the common difference will be negative term. You can find the common difference D equal to A4 minus A3, or else you can find it as A3 minus A2. Here I am using A4 minus A3. So the fourth term is 3 minus the third term is 8. So after subtracting, we get the value of D as minus 5. Here, since the value of D, that is the common difference is negative term, the value of the terms will be decreasing. They will go on decreasing. Here you can clearly see that after 13 we are getting 8 and 8 minus 5 is 3. In the opposite direction, if you move in the opposite direction, you can find that 3 and 8 after 13. After 13 we get 18. So answer for the first box will be 18. Like this, you can write the answer directly as A1 is equal to 18, or else you can find D equal to A2 minus A1. The value of D is minus 5 equal to second term value is 3 minus A1. If you take, the second term is 13. If you take 13 to the LHS, it becomes minus 13 because there are two terms binomial. So minus 5 minus 13 will be equal to minus A1. Since they are having the similar sign, we have to add. We get minus 18 will be equal to minus A1. Here the negative signs get cancelled. So the first term A1 is equal to 18. Like this also you can find, or else directly you can find that the 8 will be the third term, because the arithmetic mean of 13 and 3 is 8. After finding 8, you can find the common difference as minus 5. In the opposite direction, if you move, you get 3, 8, 13. After 13, we get 18. Here, the common difference is minus 5. So, the value of the terms will decrease. In this way, you can find the value of first term and the third term. This is one method where we have used the arithmetic mean formula. Arithmetic mean formula. In another method also, we can find the answer for this question. Let us write the question. This is first method. Now let us take the same question and solve in the second method. First is box, then the second term is 13, third term is box given, and the fourth term is 3. Now here the first term is not given. This is second term, this is third term, this is fourth term. Let us use the second term and fourth term. The second term A2 can be written as A plus 2 minus 1 into D. Here we have used the formula directly, that is AN formula. AN equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Directly we can write the formula. Instead of N, I have written 2 here. So A2 will be equal to A plus N value is 2 minus 1 into D. Directly you can write the A2 formula. So A2 will be equal to A plus, after subtracting we get 1D. Here substitute the value of second term. Second term is 13 they have given. So 13 will be equal to A plus D. Let it be like this, and let us take the fourth term here. Fourth term can be written as A plus 4 minus 1 into D. Here A4 equal to A plus 3D. You can write the fourth term as A plus 3D. Now substitute the A4 value. The fourth term of AP is given as 3. So 3 will be equal to A plus 3D. Here these two equations are simultaneous equations. They are called as simultaneous equations. Simultaneous equations, or they are also called as linear equations. Linear equations, pair of linear equations in two variables. You are going to learn about this pair of linear equations in the third chapter. Here these two equations are also pair of linear equations where there are two unknowns, two variables are there, and they are linear equations. We can solve these two equations to get the value of A and D. Here to solve the pair of linear equations, there are four methods. First one is substitution method. Second one is elimination method. Third one is cross multiplication method. And the fourth one is graphical method. you are going to learn about these 4 methods of solving the pair of linear equations in the 3rd chapter. Here I will show you how to solve these questions by using the elimination method. That is, we are going to use the elimination method to solve these 2 linear equations. Here the 2 linear equations are, now we can write the first one as a plus d equal to 13 and the second linear equation as a plus 3d equal to 3. These 2 are pair of linear equations. Here we are using the elimination method. In this method, we have to subtract or add the 2 equations in such a way that we have to eliminate one of the unknown, one of the variable. If we add these 2 equations, we get a plus a is 2a and 1a plus 3d, 1d plus 3d is 4d. We cannot eliminate the variable, so we have to subtract these 2 equations. To subtract these 2 equations, we have to change the sign. Here the a is having the plus sign, so we are going to change it to minus sign. If it is plus, we have to change to minus. Here also there is plus sign, so we are changing it to minus sign. Here then now you can see that this is plus a and this is minus a. So these 2 plus a and minus a gets cancelled. Now plus d minus 3d. Here d is having the plus sign and 3d is having the minus sign because we have changed the sign. So plus and minus are there. So we are going to subtract. After subtracting, we get minus 2d because bigger term is having the negative sign. So we get minus 2d equal to. Here also this is plus 13 and minus 3. We have to subtract. After subtracting, we get plus 10. Here d is having the negative sign. To remove the negative sign, we have to multiply by minus sign. So 2d will be equal to minus 10. So now take 2 to the RHS. If you take 2 to the RHS, it comes to the denominator because it is monomial, single term. So d will be equal to minus 10 by 2. 2 ones are 2 5s are. So d value is minus 5. We have got the common difference value. Now let us find the first term value. Let us take any one of this equation. I will take the first equation. A plus d will be equal to 13. Now we have got the d value. Let us substitute the d value. D value is minus 5 equal to 13. Here plus into minus is minus. A minus 5 will be equal to 13. Take minus 5 to the RHS. We get plus 5 because there are 2 terms. It is binomial. So that sign will change. A equal to 13 plus 5. 13 plus 5 is 18. Now we got the first term as 18. So the first term here is 18 in the box. We have got the first term. Now we have to find the third term. Since we got the common difference as minus 5, we are going to subtract the 5 from the 13. After subtracting 5 from 13, we get 8. In this way, we can find the third term as first term is 18 and also third term is 8. In this way, we can find the value of a and d. Here we have used the elimination method of solving pair of linear equations. Elimination method. You are going to learn about this elimination method and also pair of linear equations in the third chapter, that is pair of linear equations. Here we have solved the second equation by using the arithmetic mean formula and also the pair of linear equations method. Here you can solve the answer or find the answer using any of these methods. Whichever you find easy, you can follow the method. Now let us take the third one. Third question is given as third one. Here 5, there is a box, another box and 9 and half. Here also, here we cannot use the arithmetic mean formula because we cannot find the arithmetic mean here. They have given first term and fourth term. So we have to use the elimination method for pair of linear equations. Here first term is given as 5. This is A2, this is A3 and this is A4. First let us take the A4, fourth term. A4 equal to A plus 4 minus 1 into D. Here I have used the term formula. Now A4 equal to A plus 4 minus 1 is 3D. Now substitute the values of A4 and the first term. Fourth term is 9.5 equal to first term is 5 plus 3D. Here 9 2s are 18 plus 1 is 19 by 2 equal to 5 plus 3D. Now take 5 to the LHS, and after taking 5 to the LHS it becomes minus 5. Then you have to take the LCM after or else you can multiply the equation by 2. Multiply equation by 2. You have to multiply each term of this equation by 2. If you multiply the first term in the LHS, 2 ones are 2 ones are gets cancelled. If you multiply the RHS, it becomes 10. Here if you multiply by 2, it becomes 6D. So here I am going to multiply the entire equation by 2. Here after multiplying we get 19 equal to, this is 5 2s are 10 plus this is 3 2s are 6D. Now take 10 to the LHS, it becomes minus 10. So 19 minus 10 equal to 60. After subtracting we get 9 equal to 60. Now take 6 to the LHS, it comes to denominator because here is the monomial single term. So it is in the numerator, it comes to denominator. 9 by 6 will be equal to D. Now divide, 3 2s are 6 and 3 3s are 9. So we got the common difference D as 3 by 2. Now let us find the second term of this AP. If you want the second term, you have to add the common difference to the first term, that is A plus D. We know that the general form of the arithmetic progression is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D and so on. Or else if you know the first term, after adding D to the first term we get second term. Again adding one more D we get the third term. Again adding one more D we get the fourth term. So here to get the second term we have to add common difference to the first term. First term is 5 plus common difference is 3 by 2. Here since they are fractions we have to take the LCM. Here denominator is 1. So the LCM is 2. Here we have to multiply by 2. 2 5s are 10 plus 3. 10 plus 3 will be 13 by 2. So the second term is 13 by 2. Again we have to find the third term. A3. To get the third term we have to add common difference to the second term. Second term is 13 by 2 plus the common difference is 3 by 2. Now take the LCM. LCM is 2. So 13 plus 3 will be equal to 16 by 2. Again after dividing we get 2 1s are 2 8s are 16. So the answer here is the second term is 13 by 2 and the third term is fourth one. The fourth question is, here they have given the fourth question as minus 4 and then a box. There is a box, again box, one more box and then 6. That is, here they have given first term. A2 we have to find, A3, A4, A5 and A6. They have given first term and sixth term. Using those two terms we have to find the second, third, fourth and fifth term. Here also we cannot use the arithmetic mean formula. Now here let us use the sixth term first. A6 equal to A plus 6 minus 1 into D. Now A6 is A plus 5D. Now substitute the value of sixth term and first term. Sixth term is given as 6. First term is given as minus 4 plus 5D. Now take minus 4 to the LHS. It becomes plus 4 because here are two terms. It is a binomial. So the minus 4 changes to plus 4. 6 plus 4 will be equal to 5D. which is equal to 10 equal to 5d. Now take 5 to the LHS, it comes to the denominator because it is monomial, single term. Whenever there is a single term, numerator and denominators will get exchanged. So 5 will come to the denominator. 10 by 5 will be equal to d. Now 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. So the value of the common difference is 2. Now we have to add common difference 2 to get the second term. So a2 equal to a plus d. Here the first term is minus 4 equal to minus 4 plus common difference is 2. So we get minus 2. So the second term is minus 2. Now to get the third term, we have to add again common difference to the second term. a2 is minus 2 plus common difference is 2. These two will get cancelled. So we get 0. So the third term a3 is 0. To get the fourth term, we have to add common difference to the third term. a3 plus d, which is equal to third term is 0 plus common difference is 2, which is equal to 2. So the fourth term is 2. Now to get the fifth term, add common difference to the fourth term. Fourth term is 2 plus common difference is 2. We get 2 plus 2 is 4. So the fifth term is 4. In this way, easily we can find the values of second, third, fourth and fifth term. The value of second term is minus 2. Third term is 0. Fourth term is 2. And the fifth term is 4. Here also we have used AN formula to find the values. Now let us take the fifth question. Here the fifth question is given as fifth question. First there is a box, then 38, again box, one more box, again box, then minus 22. Here they have given second term, first term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term and sixth term. Here you have to use the elimination method of pair of linear equations. Here they have given second term and sixth term. Using the second term and sixth term, let us find the remaining values. First let us write a2 as a plus 1d. a2 is 38 equal to a plus 1d. This is one linear equation. Again let us take the sixth term. a6 equal to a plus 6 minus 1 into d. a6 is minus 22 equal to a plus 6 minus 1 is 5d. These two are pair of linear equations in two variables. We have to solve these two equations to get the value of a and d. Now let us solve these two equations using elimination method. Here we are using elimination method. Elimination method for pair of linear equations. This is the third chapter. In the third chapter you are learning this elimination method, pair of linear equations. First let us take the first equation, a plus d equal to 38, and the second one a plus 5d equal to minus 22. Here if you add these two equations, a plus a will become plus 2a, plus d plus 5d will become 6d. So we cannot eliminate any of the variable. So we have to subtract these two equations. To subtract we have to change the sign. Here there is plus sign, so we have to change it to the minus sign. Here plus is there, so it becomes minus. If it is minus sign, we have to change it to the plus sign. Now here this is plus a and this is minus a. These two will get eliminated. Now this is plus d, this is minus d. We have to subtract. After subtracting we get minus 4d, because here the bigger number is having minus sign, equal to this is plus 38 and plus 22 we have to add. If we add these two we get plus 60. Now since d is having negative sign, we have to multiply the equation by negative sign. We get 4d equal to minus 60. Now take 4 to the RHS. It comes to the denominator because this is monomial single term. So d will be equal to minus 60 by 4. Now divide these two. 4 ones are 4, 2 remains, 4 5s are 20. So the value of d is therefore d equal to minus 50. The value of d is minus 50. Now let us find the first term using the value of d. Now I'll take the first equation to get the value of a. First term, a plus d equal to 38. A plus the value of d is minus 15 equal to 38. Plus into minus is minus. A minus 15 equal to 38. Now take minus 15 to the RHS. It becomes plus 15 because there are two terms. It is binomial. A equal to 38 plus 15. 38 plus 15 is 8 plus 5 is 13. 3 plus 1 plus 1 is 5. 53. We get the first term as 53. Now we got the first term, the answer for the first term as 53 and common difference as minus 15. To get the third term, we have to subtract 15 from 38. We get to get the third term, a3 equal to a2 plus d. Here a2 is 38 plus common difference is minus 15, which is equal to 38 minus 15. After subtracting, we get 8 minus 5 is 3. 3 minus 1 is 23. So the third term is 23. Again, to get the fourth term, we have to add common difference to the third term. Third term is 23 plus common difference is minus 15. So 23 minus 15, which is equal to, after subtracting 23 minus 3. Here if you take a carry, 30 minus 5 is 8. 1 minus 1 is 0. We get 8. So the fourth term is 8. Now to get the fifth term, a5 will be equal to a4 plus d, which is equal to fourth term is 8 plus common difference is minus 15. 8 minus 15. Here after subtracting 8 minus 15, we get minus 7. So the fifth term is minus 7. So here the given answers for the question is third term. The third term is 23 and the fourth term is 8. Fifth term is minus 7. Again subtracting minus 15, we get minus 22. Sorry. Here you can clearly see that the value of the terms is decreasing because we got the common difference as negative number. If the common difference is negative, value of the terms will decrease. In this way, using the AN formula, arithmetic mean formula, and also the elimination method of pair of linear equations, we can find the values of the unknowns. That is, we can find the values and fill these unknowns or the boxes for these questions. In this way, we can find the values. Let us find the answers for the next questions in the next video.